Hi, today we will review a very important topic of English grammar, the parts of speech. Words are divided into different kinds or classes called parts of speech according to their use or according to the work they do in a sentence. In short, all words in the English language belong to a word class called the parts of speech. There are 8 main parts of speech in the English language. These are nouns, verbs, adjectives, adverbs, pronouns, prepositions, conjunctions, and interjections. Let us have a brief introduction about each of them. Noun. Noun is the part of speech that names a person, an animal, a place, or a thing. It is a naming word. Example: Ram, pen, flower, book, etc. Verb. Verb is the part of speech that identifies the action. It is a doing word. Write, speak, play, etc. Adjective. Adjective is the part of speech that describes the quality of a person, place, animal, or a thing. It is a word which describes a noun. For example, a good boy. What kind of a boy? He is a good boy. So, good here is the adjective. Another example, this is a big hall. So, big is the adjective in the sentence. Adverb. Adverb is the part of speech that adds more information about a verb or an adjective. Say, for example, Ram walks slowly. So, how does Ram walk? He walks slowly. So, the action of walking is done slowly. Hence, slowly is the adverb which is adding more information about the doing verb, that is, walk. Another example of an adverb: she writes quickly. So, how does she write? She writes or she does the action of writing quickly. So, quickly is an adverb. Pronoun. Pronoun is the part of speech used in place of a noun in a sentence. I, he, she, it, etc. are all pronouns. Example: Rahul is a footballer. He plays well. So, here the noun Rahul is being replaced by the pronoun it, he. Another example: Guwahati is the city where I live. I love my city. So, here Guwahati is being replaced by the pronoun it. Preposition. Preposition is the part of speech that shows position, timing, or direction. It is used before a noun or pronoun to express the relation of that noun or pronoun to some other word in the sentence. For example, the book is on the table. So, what is the position of the book? It is on the table. On is the preposition. Another example of a preposition: the train is passing through the tunnel. Through is the preposition in this sentence. Conjunction. Conjunction is the part of speech or word that joins together two words, group of words, or sentences. For example, I like singing and dancing. And here is the conjunction. I sent him a letter, but he did not respond. So here two sentences. I sent him a letter, first sentence. He did not respond, second sentence. Two separate sentences are joined by the conjunction word but. So, I sent him a letter, but he did not respond. Here, the word but joins two separate sentences together. Interjection. Interjection is a part of speech that is used to express emotion, surprise, or sorrow, etc. feelings. For example, ouch, that hurts. Hooray, we won the match. So, these were the 8 main parts of speech. I hope you all found it easy to understand and learn. Try identifying it on your own in the various other sentences and keep learning. In case you have any queries or doubt, please let me know. Thank you.